Hello, my friends. Today's lesson is addition and subtraction bonds to 20. If I give you any number, you have to find two numbers that add together to make this number. For example, 14. You know that 14 equals 10 because we have 10 in the tens and 4 in the ones, so it equals 10 plus 4. So 10 and 4, we call them number bonds or number pairs of that add together to make 14, or number pairs to 14, and we can write them as this. Like 14, you circle this 14 and you draw two lines. One is for the 10 and the other one is for the other number that add to 10 to make 14, which is 4. So 14 equals 10 plus 4. And whenever you see these three circles, you write the number sentences like use addition or subtraction like this. 14 equals 10 plus 4. Or you can write it like this. 4 plus 10 equals 14. We call this an addition number sentence because we use the plus sign, and the plus sign is to add numbers together. So 14 equals the smaller numbers added together, like 4 plus 10 or 10 plus 4 equals 14. And for the subtraction number sentence, you take the biggest number first, so 14 minus any of the two smaller numbers. Let's say minus 10 equals the third number. 14 minus 4 equals 10. So these are the four number sentences we can write out of any number pairs of 14. We can make other number pairs of 14, like 12 plus what equals 14? 12 plus, you count on using your fingers until you reach 14. So it's 13, 14. How many fingers did you count? 2. So 12 plus 2 equals 14. Give me any other number that is smaller than 14. Let's say 13. 13 plus what equals 14? Now count on from 13 and use your fingers, then stop when you reach 14. So 13 plus 1. So 13 and 1 are number pairs or number bonds of 14, and 12 and 2. We can make many other numbers like 14 equals 11. Now count on from 11. It's 12, 13, 14. So I counted 3 fingers. 12, 13, 14. So it's 11 plus 3. That equals 14, or 14 minus 3 equals 11, or 14 minus 11 equals 3, or let's say 3 plus 11 equals 14. So the two small numbers added together, they make up the largest number, and the largest number minus any of the small numbers equals the other number. For the workbook questions, in challenge 1, write two pairs of numbers that total 13. Now count on from the smaller number until you reach 13. So 11 in your head, in your fingers, say the next number, which is 12, 13. So how many fingers did you count? It's 2. Or 3 plus what equals 13? Now you can count on using your fingers, or you can say that 3 is 10 plus 13 is 10 plus 3. So here we have 10 in the tens, and we have 3 in the ones. So 13 equals 3 plus 10. What about 16? Give me 3 pairs of numbers that total 16. You can use 16 plus 0, or now take away 1 from 16, 15 plus 1, or take away 1 from 15 and give it to the 1, like 14 plus 2, or you can say 10 and 6. Now in question 2, we want to write number sentences. One is addition and the other one is subtraction to match the number pairs we've written here. So if we have written like 10 and 6, you in challenge 2 you write it like this: 10 plus 6 equals 16, or 16 minus 10 equals 6. Now for the number 19, it's easy as well. So 10 plus 9 equals 19, or you can say 18 plus 1 equals 19, or 17 plus 2 equals 19. And you can choose any number pair of these numbers to make sentences, addition and subtraction sentences, such as, let's say 10 and 9. 10 plus 9 equals 19. 19 minus 9 equals 10. 19 minus 10 equals 9. And here 9 plus 10 equals 19. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you so much.